If you're looking for a breakfast that's both quick and delicious, don't miss this recipe. With just a few slices of bread, an egg, and some cheese, you can create a dish that's crispy on the outside and rich and creamy on the inside. Let's get started. First, take a slice of sandwich bread. Use a knife to gently cut out the center, creating a small opening. This step helps prevent the egg from spilling out during cooking. Next, prepare the ingredients for the sandwich filling. Onion, sausage, carrot, cucumber, Once everything is ready, add a little olive oil to the pan. Then place the bread in the pan. Crack an egg into the center of the bread. And add the prepared ingredients on top. Don't forget to add a slice of cheese to make it even tastier. A pinch of salt. Wait until the edges of the cake turn golden brown and crispy, and the yolk reaches your preferred level of doneness. Remove the cake from the pan and cut it in half, allowing the yolk to ooze out slightly. It looks incredibly appetizing. It tastes even better when served with some fresh herbs or chili sauce. In just a few minutes, you can have a breakfast that is both visually appealing and nutritious. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more delicious dishes.